Welcome back to my channel Basics. I am Tarun Poddar. Before I start, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics and watch my video till the end. Otherwise, you will miss my tips and suggestions. Today I will discuss 5 important sums of your trigonometry which are very important for your exam. So I will solve 5 questions, and so do watch till the end. Don't skip. Given sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to 1 minus sin theta value is what? Root 3 by 2 whole square. So it will come 1 minus 3 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now again we have cos phi is equal to 1 by root 2. So we know sin square phi plus cos square phi is equal to 1. So sin square phi is equal to 1 minus cos square phi. Clear? So sin square phi is equal to 1 minus cos phi is given how much? 1 by root 2. So put the value over here, 1 by root 2 and whole square. So it will become 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So sin phi will be equal to 1 by root 2. Understood? So here now we will find out tan theta. Now tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta value given how much? Root 3 by 2 by cos theta is 1 by 2. So it will become root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, which is 2 get cancelled. So it will be root 3. Clear? Now again we will find value of tan phi. Tan phi is sin phi by cos phi. So sin phi how much? We have calculated 1 by root 2. Cos phi is given how much? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So it will be 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1. So it will get cancelled. So which is equal to 1. So tan phi is equal to 1. Understood? Now we will put the value of tan theta minus tan phi by 1 plus tan theta tan phi. So here tan theta minus tan phi by 1 plus tan theta into tan phi. So put the value. Tan theta we have got root 3 minus tan phi we have got 1 by 1 plus tan theta is root 3 and your tan phi is how much? 1. So this is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So you know we will rationalize it. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So it will become what? Root 3 minus 1 whole square by 3 minus 1. So it will be 3, apply a minus b whole square. So 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by How much 3 minus 1? 2. So here it will be 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2, which is equal to, again you can take common, 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. So your 2 minus 3 is the answer. Now we will take another question. In the figure AM perpendicular BC, if tan B is equal to 3 by 4, tan C equals 5 by 12, BC is 56 centimeter, you have to calculate AM. So this is the triangle ABC where AM is perpendicular to BC and BC is 56 centimeter. We need to find out this AM. So given is your tan B is equal to 3 by 4. So tan B is equal to what? Tan B is your AM by BM. AM by BM, height by base. So AM by BM is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so let AM is equal to 3x and BM is equal to 4x. We know. So we will write over here AM is your 3x and BM is your 4x. Okay, now again what is given? Tan C is equal to 5 by 12. So tan C is equal to, from here, tan C is your AM by MC, base by, sorry, height by base, AM by MC. So your AM by MC is equal to 5 by 12. AM by MC. Now AM is how much? AM is 3x. 3x and MC, this MC you can write this 56 minus 4x. Is it clear? MC is how much? This BC minus BM. So BC is given how much? 56 and your BM is 4x equal to 5 by 12. So we will solve this. So this will become 36x is equal to 5 into 56 minus 4x. So 36x is equal to 280 minus 20x. So it will become what? It will become 56x is equal to 280 or x is equal to 280 by 56. Now divide it. It will be your 56 5s are. So 5. So your x is equal to 5. X is equal to how much? 5. So AM is equal to 3x, which is equal to 3 into 5, which is equal to 15 centimeter. So AM is equal to 15 centimeter. This is your answer. Is it clear to all of you? Take another question. If 2 sine 3x minus 15 degree is equal to root 3, we have to find out sine square 2x plus 10 degree plus tan square x plus 5 degree. Okay. So 2 sine 3x minus 15 degree is equal to root 3. So sine 3x minus 15 is equal to root 3 by 2. So sine 3x minus 15 is equal to root 3 by 2 is sine 60. So sine 60 degree. Okay. So sine gets cancelled. So 3x minus 15 is equal to 60. So 3x is equal to 60 plus 15 is 75. So x is equal to how much? 25. So we will put the value of x in this. So sine square 2 into 25 plus 10 plus tan square 25 plus 5 this degree. So sine square 50 plus 10 60 sine 60 degree plus tan square how much? 30 degree. So sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2 whole square plus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. So just simplify, this is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3. So it will come, take LCM, this is 12. So it will be 9 plus 4. So how much? This will be 13 by 12. So this is your answer, 13 by 12. Okay, now we will solve this question. Show tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree is equal to 1. So we will take the left hand side. So tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. So tan 48 degree can be written as 90 minus 42. 48 can be written as 90 minus 42, is it? Now tan 23, then tan 42, tan 67. 67 can be written as 90 minus how much? 23. So 67 can be written as 90 minus 23. So here tan 90 minus theta will be how much? Cot theta. We know. So tan 90 minus 42 degree is your cot 42 degree. Then tan 23 degree. Then tan 42 degree. Tan 90 minus theta is your cot theta. So theta is how much? 23. So cot 23 degree. So write like this, cot 42 degree and then tan 42 degree. Okay, put a bracket. Now tan 23 degree and cot 23 degree. So you know cot theta into tan theta is how much? 1. So cot 42 into tan 42 is 1. Tan theta into cot theta is how much? 1. Tan 23 degree into cot 23 degree, it will be 1. So 1, which is your right hand side. So hence we have proved. Here in bracket you can write, since tan A into cot A is equal to 1. So this is, we have learned na, tan A into cot A is equal to 1. So this cot theta into tan theta is 1. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. In place of theta, we have 42 degree. In place of theta, we have 23 degree. So 1 into 1 is 1, which is your RHS. If sine 54 degree cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to 1, we have to find the value of theta. Theta is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Clear? So we will write sine 54 degree cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to 1. So sine 54 degree cosec 90 minus theta is how much? Is sec theta. So you write sec theta is equal to 1. So sine 54 degree, your sec theta will come this side, will become 1 by sec theta. So sine 54 degree is equal to 1 by sec theta is how much? Is cos theta. Again, sine 54, you can write this as 90 degree minus how much? 36 degree. It will come 54 degree is equal to cos theta. So sine 90 minus theta is how much? Cos theta. So cos theta, theta, what is theta over here is 36. So equal to cos theta. So cos gets cancelled. So your theta is equal to 36 degree. So this is your answer. That's all for today. Today we have discussed the few important sums. In earlier my 2 videos I have explained the basic concept of trigonometry along with few sums. So if you have missed out, I will put that thing in my end screen, so you can get those 2 episodes from my end screen. And thanks for watching, and if you still find any difficulty, you just comment me, I'll try to solve it. So do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, which is basics. Thank you.